Bake these easy vanilla cupcakes in just 35 minutes. Perfect for birthdays, picnics, or whenever you fancy a sweet treat. Heat oven to 180 degrees Celsius and fill a 12 cupcake tray with cupcake cups. You will need the following ingredients: 110 grams of softened butter, 110 grams of golden castor sugar, 2 large eggs, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 110 grams of self-raising flour, 150 grams of softened butter, 300 grams of icing, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of milk. Using an electric whisk, beat 110 grams of softened butter and 110 grams golden castor sugar together until pale and fluffy. Then whisk in 2 large eggs, one at a time, scraping down the sides of the bowl after each addition. The next step is to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 110 grams of self-raising flour, and a pinch of salt. Whisk until just combined, then spoon the mixture into the cupcake wrappers. Bake for 15 minutes until golden brown and a skewer inserted into the middle of each cake comes out clean. Leave to cool completely on a wire rack. It's time for the fun part. The great thing about vanilla cupcakes is that there are endless possibilities. You can use any variety of colors, flavors, toppings, and let your imagination run wild. Let's get started on the frosting or icing. To make the buttercream, whisk 150 grams of softened butter until super soft, then add 300 grams of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Whisk together until smooth. Start off slowly to avoid an icing sugar cloud, then beat in 3 tablespoons of milk. If wanting to color, stir in the food coloring now. Spoon or pipe onto the cooled cupcakes. Finally, decorate your cupcakes. Get creative. This is the only vanilla cupcake recipe you need. They are perfectly soft and go well with just about any cupcake frosting. Have a great time baking, and please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. We'd absolutely love to see your vanilla cupcakes in our comment section.